Welcome everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to the key performance indicators within InterHerd Plus. The key performance indicators should automatically appear on the InterHerd Plus home screen. However, if they're absent, please click Reports, followed by Key Performance Indicators. The KPI report shows how well the current herd is performing over time and compares this to target values. The report lists a range of parameters covering production, fertility and health. To the left of each parameter is a value. This is the 12 months rolling average calculated for this herd. The current value is also represented in the graphic on the left hand side as a black square with its position relative to the target of range of figures. For example, the average somatic cell count is 124, which is below the target of 136. If you're using the standard KPIs derived from 500 herds, the target is the level achieved by 25% of the herds. The range is the value difference between the level achieved by the best 25% and the worst 25% of herds. In the graphic, the target is represented by the black vertical line and the lower 25% by the pink vertical line. If the black square is to the right of the target line, then your herd would fall in the top 25% of herds. For example, for cull, death rate, age at exit in lactations and age at exit in years. If to the left of the pink line, your herd would fall in the bottom 25% of herds. For example, the percentage of cows eligible for service which conceived, the percentage of service intervals between 18 and 24 days, and the percentage of service intervals over 50 days. The blue arrow indicates performance for the parameter in the last 3 months only. Treat this as an indication of direction of change, but be aware of seasonal and other factors. For example, you can see that the conception rate is improving. The KPI report gives a snapshot of the current position. With many years of historical milk records also available, it is possible to observe how these parameters are changing over time. To see how a particular parameter has altered over time, click on the parameter with the left mouse button to generate a trend graph. The example below shows the conception rate in the herd over the last 2 years. The black line shows the 12-month rolling average calculated for every day over the last 2 years. In this case, fertility has always fluctuated between 40 and 50%. The blue line shows the short-term changes in the parameter. Each point on the line uses data from services recorded in the previous 3 months. This can be done for any parameter, including service intervals. In contrast to conception rate, this herd's service intervals are frequently in the bottom 25%, and up until recently was between 20 and 30%. The final feature I would like to point out are the other KPI tabs. These include population, fertility, production, status indicators, other health indicators and young stock. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us and follow us on Twitter at InterHerd Plus.